Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to make icons roll on your screen. So in order to do so, you would have to install a third-party application because on mobile devices this feature is not set by default. So you would need a third-party application in order to do so. So for that, just launch Google Play Store first. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom. Now go to the search bar and search for rolling icon. Now tap on the application on top. Now tap on the option of install. Now once the app has been installed, simply tap on open. And with that, you will successfully be able to make icons roll on your mobile devices. You can tap on the circle icon in order to turn it off as well. You can tap on the power button. And if you want to turn rolling icons again, you can tap on this option of start. So that's how you could make icons roll on your screen on your mobile devices. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.